everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Maj, and for today's video, i-ready nyo na ang inyong mga candies guys, 300 candies. So everyday ba kayo nakapag-login kay CoinGecko kasi may panibago siyang team up. So NFT pass holder, so 5,000, limited lang siya for 5,000 CoinGecko users guys. So don't forget everyday mag-login kayo guys, and don't forget to join my giveaway guys everyday. Every video yan you will get 20 pesos, 3 winners yan guys. So andyan naman yan. So ayan guys, nakipag-team up siya with the World of Deep yan. So 5,000 CoinGecko users lang siya. So beta pass pa lang naman siya guys. So valid September 22, mag-expire siya on September 23 guys. So uunahin ko na siya ilabas kasi as of now 793 left na lang yung pupwede. But paminsan naman mag-reopen siya, but kaya nga I don't know kung meron pa once na na-upload ko to kasi 5,000 users lang, diba? Ang bilis guys. So dapat lagi kayong naka-on yung notifications nyo and everyday kayong mag-login. Kadalasan 4 PM here sa Philippines yung time kapag nag-release sila ng panibagong team up, mga ganito. So dapat ready kayo palagi. So dito makagain kayo ng access to the game guys. Exclusive yan sa particular in a special event located in a CoinGecko area to earn BNB rewards guys. So kailangan dito is your BEP20 wallet address guys. So meron naman dyan link na kailangan nyo i-click and then yung ilalagay yung inyong BEP20. So gagawan ko na lang siya na another video for this one dahil nagmamadali din ako na siya ma-post para once na na-post ko siya, kung meron pa is maka-join kayo. Kung wala na guys, check nyo na siya time to time. Kadalasan naman baka mamaya mag-extend pa, diba? And kung wala na talaga, dapat is next time is i-on nyo kagad yung notification and don't forget to sign in or to get candies every day kasi meron mga time to time nagkakaroon ng ganito si CoinGecko na kipag-team up siya. Last time si Say and then si Tezos. Now ngayon for NFT holders for World of Deep Yans. Tama ba ako? World of Deep Yans. So early access pa lang naman to guys. So makaka-earn tayo ng BNB. And don't forget na huwag nyo i-share your code guys kasi baka mamaya na i-share nyo is iba yung makagamit ng code nyo. So be careful. So i-ano ko na lang siya guys. Diyan naman yung instructions, basahin nyo na lang. So i-update ko na lang kayo guys para ma-upload ko na siya. So until next time, goodbye! Let me know.